Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove duplicate observations in Google Sheets. Sometimes data files, especially large data files, may include the same observation twice or even multiple times. This may happen, for instance, with survey data or when we're merging files, and some errors may occur. And of course, we don't want one observation to be counted several times, especially when we're running some statistical analysis. So we first have to clean up the data and identify all the duplicate observations. So we can do that manually by browsing through the file, but of course we're not going to be very precise in doing that, especially when dealing with very large data sets. The other option is to ask Google Sheets to help us identify the duplicate observations. So first, we have to select the columns and rows that we want to include in this analysis. So in our case, I'm going to select all the three columns that we have here. This file includes information on school systems in Georgia. Specifically, it includes the location, the city, and the county of each school system. And it does include some duplicate observations. So after selecting the columns, I am going to go to the data file and then select data cleanup, and from the data cleanup menu remove duplicates. And I am going to specify here that the first row is actually a header row. So I'm going to check this first box, and then Google Sheets asks which columns you want to include in the analysis. I want to include all of the columns or all of the variables: system name, city name, and county name. Some of the systems may be in the same county, so I want to make sure that all three pieces of information are identical before removing the observations. So making sure that all of these are checked, and then click remove duplicates. And Google Sheets tells me that it did find 3 duplicate rows and these were removed. So now my sample size includes 217 unique rows. So none of them are identical. And then I click OK. So this is how to remove duplicate observations in Google Sheets.